Freedom for me is the physical ability to bring philosophical views, theoretical views, subjective views, objective views, to shape and form and bring that into reality. To move from the heart, the mind, the soul, to actual, material force, either for good or bad, or anything in between. Philosophical views, theoretical views, subjective views, objective views, to shape and form and bring that into reality. To move from the heart, the mind, the soul, and to actual, material force, either for good or bad, or anything in between.
This is for my king.
Create the space you need to fly. There is no sky that is too high.
This is for my king.
Find the strength to redefine the standard of life, not just survive.
Philosophical views, theoretical views, subjective views, objective views, to shape and form and bring that into reality. To move from the heart, the mind, the soul, and to actual, material force, either for good or bad, or anything in between.